गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर, हाउ आर यू?
फाइन फाइन सर, आप कैसे हैं?
आई एम आल्सो फाइन।
ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट।
Seeing you after a long time.
Same here. I am also just looking you after a long time.
Yeah. So today.
So you are getting little old.
Yes, sir. I am 50 plus. So.
Oh, so you
yes.
have a half century. That's great.
Half century. Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
So today.
Yes, sir.
Today I am introducing Mr. Sushant Srivastava. He is. He started his career as a network communicator, and today he is the MD of Neural Network Private Limited. Please tell me, Mr. Sushant, please tell me something about yourself.
See, as a myself, if you are going to ask me, so first of all, thank you for giving this opportunity that you spare some time to me and to know something about us and about me. So myself, Sitanshu, and I'm just currently looking to an organization named as Neural Info Solutions Private Limited since the year 2003. So we have established in 2003. And I am a simple graduate and completed my post-graduation while I was doing a job. And then a lot of things happened in the life, ups and downs. We never planned for an organization. We never planned to open a company because हम लोग भाई एक सर्विस क्लास फैमिली को बिलोंग करते हैं and we don't know much about the business, how to do the business knowledge. So, but still, in the today's scenario and today's time, the scene is कि जो भी डिसाइड करते हैं और आप उसी जगह पे पहुंच जाते हैं, फिर जो लिखा होता है उसको आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते। सो बहुत डरते एंड वी जस्ट ओपन न्यूरल इन्फो सॉल्यूशन बिकॉज एक बड़ा इंसिडेंट हुआ था वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर की वजह से हमारी कंपनी जहाँ पे हम लोग जॉब करते थे वो बंद हुई एंड देन वी हैव टू सिट अराउंड 2 months एट होम। हमें घर पे बैठना पड़ा एंड फिर कुछ हमें जॉब्स मिली, कुछ हम लोगों ने किया काम, बट स्टिल वी वाज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड बिकॉज टेक्निकली हम लोग स्ट्रांग थे, वी वर स्ट्रांग एंड हमें ये लग रहा था कि हमारा जो पोटेंशियल है दैट वाज नॉट कमिंग आउट। वी कैन नॉट गिव दैट 100% टू द सोशल कंपनी एस्टैब्लिश हुई 2003 में। तभी भी हम लोगों ने धीरे धीरे काम शुरू किया एंड बहुत डरते हुए काम शुरू किया। डिजाइन सम आवर ओन प्रोडक्ट्स। उस समय आईटी का इतना बूम नहीं था, इट वाज जस्ट ग्रोइंग बिकॉज हिंदुस्तान के अंदर, इंडिया के अंदर आईटी ने अपना पैर रखना शुरू किया। तो हम लोगों ने धीरे धीरे अपने प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए और प्रोडक्ट्स को कई क्लाइंट्स के साथ एसोसिएट होकर के ज्वाइन किया और उनके इंस्टॉल भी किया। और हमेशा हर साल हर महीने हमको ये लगता था कि कंपनी आज बंद हुई कि कल बंद हुई। ये लगता था सैलरीज कैसे दी जाएंगी, रेंट्स कैसे पे होंगे, बट बाय एनी ग्रेस ऑफ द गॉड यू कैन से, और यू कैन से द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ द गॉड्स, वो चीज़ें आगे मूव होती रही। तो मुझे एक चीज़ ये लगती है and which I feel to all the youngsters, all the entrepreneurs, all the young entrepreneurs, all the startups कि आपको अपनी चीज़ों में लगे रहना पड़ेगा। You have to just keep on trying and you also don't know or I also don't know when is that day that the things being rotated। वो कौन सा ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट होगा, वो कौन सी ऐसी नाइट होगी कि आप ओवरनाइट चमक जाएंगे और आप लोगों के बीच में जाने जाएंगे। तो इस उम्मीद से आपको हमेशा लगे रहना चाहिए। मेरा अपना ये सोचना है और शायद इसी सोच की वजह से आज हम लोग इतने नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स को सक्सेसफुली चला पाए, अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को आगे ले जा पाए। जी जी सर, कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं?
What inspires you in starting this project?
ऑनेस्टली बोले तो इसके पीछे कोई इंस्पिरेशन नहीं थी, इसके पीछे एक ज़रूरत थी। तो जब कहते हैं ना आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं तो आप क्या करें, एक आप बिजनेस खोलें। सो there was nothing like inspiration behind it. It was the actually necessity that as a person who has worked in a MNC company, and then we are not getting any job in the market just because of the heavy recession of this World Trade Center and the event which occurred, which suffered to all the entire world, you can say. तो उसमें हमारी कंपनी भी कहीं ना कहीं अफेक्टेड थी, दो वो उतना बड़ा सेगमेंट नहीं था, बट जो मेजर कॉज हम लोगों को कंपनी शटडाउन का था, जो हम लोगों की नॉलेज में आया, दैट वाज वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर। तो हम बोले कि इंस्पिरेशन के नाम पे, मैंने जैसे आपसे बताया कि देयर वाज नो बैकग्राउंड, देयर वाज नो वन नियर बाय अस, और इन फैक्ट वी बिलोंग्स टू कानपुर इन उत्तर प्रदेश। तो यहाँ पे कोई ऐसी बहुत इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, और स्पेशली हम कहें कि आईटी की बात, तो आईटी जैसी इंडस्ट्री का तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट। एंड तो इट वाज अ नेसेसिटी, जस्ट अपने आप को सहारा देने के लिए हमने कंपनी को फॉर्म किया, और ये मान के चले कि ये कंपनी मेरी एक, जैसे कहना चाहिए, माय फर्स्ट लव, यू कैन से माय फर्स्ट बेबी, जिसको आज हम लोगों ने नरिश किया, उसको ध्यान दिया, क्योंकि ये टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस है, ये समय लेती है। और जब ये टीन एज पे आई, टीन एज पे आने के बाद इसने बहुत सारी गलतियां करी, प्लस माइनसेस हुए, और एक स्टेज आती है, जिसे कहते हैं ना, जब एक आपका बेटा या बेटी होता है, आप उससे उम्मीदें करते हैं जब वो अपना एक हायर एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करता है और फिर वो जॉब की तरफ मूव करता है। तो मुझे लगता है कि एक इंडस्ट्री को स्टैब्लिश करने के लिए एक युग लग जाता है, एक डिकेड्स लग जाते हैं टू स्टैब्लिश इट। और अभी भी हम इस प्रोसेस में हैं। वी आर नॉट सेइंग कि वी आर एस्टैब्लिश्ड, वी आर स्टिल कीप गोइंग ऑन, कि हम अगर चलते रह जाएंगे तो एक समय आएगा कि न्यूरल हमको भी रिटर्न्स में कुछ देगी, और समाज को देगी, समाज से जुड़े हुए लोगों को देगी, अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्रिएट करेगी, इनोवेशंस करेगी, क्रिएशंस करेगी, जो कि फ्यूचर में आईटी इंडस्ट्रीज में कई लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल हो। हम लोगों का मेजर उद्देश्य ये भी है कि हम अपने साथ साथ, अपने परिवार के साथ साथ और परिवारों को भी रोजगार दें। जो मोदी जी का अपना एक थॉट प्रोसेस है, उसको कहीं ना कहीं वो करंट सिनेरियो में उन्होंने काफ़ी इंस्पायर किया इन चीज़ों को लेकर के, कि चीज़ें आसान नहीं हैं, डिफ़िकल्ट हैं। दूसरे को ब्लेम करने से अच्छा है, दूसरे को में कमियां निकालने से बेटर है कि आप अपने काम को ऑनेस्टली आगे बढ़ाएं और लोगों के लिए रोजगार का मौका निकालें, उनको अपॉर्चुनिटीज दें, और इसी तरीके से देश की हेल्प करें। तो मुझे अपने आप में भले एक छोटा सेटिस्फैक्शन ये होता है, क्योंकि अभी बहुत कुछ करना है। सेटिस्फैक्शन ये होता है कि हाँ चलो, जो प्रयास कर रहे हैं उसमें कहीं ना कहीं भगवान की मर्जी है, और उनका सपोर्ट भी है, और प्लस अपनी मेहनत है। बाकी देखते हैं आगे कहाँ लेके जाती है किस्मत।
Basically, you are a technical person. So,
yes, you can.
What problems you are facing in marketing? How you
that's really a very good question, because honestly I do not like marketing job. वो एक अजीब सा माइंडसेट है कि हाँ एक आदमी झोला लेकर के मार्केट में जाएगा, एंड देन ही स्टार्टेड बेगिंग टू कि सर हम कुछ करते हैं, आप मेरे से ये लीजिए। एंड वी हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम दिस इन द इनिशियल, आई रिमेंबर माय इनिशियल डेज। तो कि यार मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट बनाया, इट वाज अ स्कूल एप्लीकेशन ऑन, और उसको जब हम लेके जाते थे तो वी हैव टू वेट अ लॉन्ग टाइम आउटसाइड द प्रिंसिपल और द मैनेजमेंट, और हमें बड़ा ऑकवर्ड लगता था कि यार हम तो डेवलप करते हैं, वी आर क्रिएटर्स, और हम मार्केटिंग फील्ड में जा रहे हैं, यहाँ पे वेट कर रहे हैं। तो ऑनेस्टली इट वाज नॉट अ वेरी हैप्पी टाइम, और हम बड़ी खुशी से नहीं करते उस समय। बट स्लोली वी गेट, जितनी बार हम डाउनफॉल हुआ तो वी जस्ट ट्राई टू लर्न कि हमें ऐसी क्या चीज इम्प्रूवमेंट करनी चाहिए कि हम इसको बेच पाए या पर्सन हमको हमारी चीजों को सुने, हमारी बात को समझे। बिकॉज क्या होता है कि टेक्निकली जब आप होते हैं, एज यू टोल्ड एंड यू नो आल्सो दैट आई एम अ टेक्निकल पर्सन, तो हम बहुत ज्यादा मार्केटिंग और फीचर्स और प्रोसेस की बात नहीं कर पाते। और मार्केटिंग वाले बंदे टेक्निकल नहीं होता है, तो ही नोज, he tell the features, he tell the process, and on the basis of that he sell the product. So कहेंगे कि मार्केट ने बहुत कुछ सिखाया। मेरे फ्रेंड्स थे, उन्होंने मुझे काफी मोटिवेट किया कि इनफैक्ट मैं और लोगों को देखता था जो कि वो उनका ड्रेसिंग सेंस क्या है, उनका कम्युनिकेशन क्या है, वो किस तरीके से बात करते हैं। तो मार्केट ने मुझे सिखाया मार्केटिंग का प्रोसेस। एंड देन ऑनेस्टली आई एम सेइंग कि हम बहुत बड़े एंटरप्रेन्योर से हम लोगों का मीटिंग हुआ, हम लोगों की बातचीत हुई, एंड वी ट्राई टू कन्विंस देम। In fact, I should be happy to take the name of Mr. R.K. Sinha, the CMD of SIS India, and also a parliament member of Rajya Sabha from the BJP government. So I got an opportunity to work with him. He is a so renowned personality, but to the ground, बहुत down to the earth हैं, बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं, और उनसे मैंने काफी कुछ सीखा। So that was learning of the marketing, and now today I am passionate about that. Unless until if I am not going to crack any of the client in a day or two, so I feel there is something missing in a day. So sending the proposal, doing the communication, and convincing the team. So that is all the things which is in the nowadays, and I feel really happy while when I do these things.
What was your turning point?
Turning point, there was so many turning points in the life, so it cannot be a single point.
First turning point.
First turning point, you will say that our life starts with a very happy time. You can say that I was from a middle class family and very shy in the nature, and then we get an opportunity in a multinational company, so we feel that we have a meeting in Hotel Clark, we got a meeting in Taj Hotel Palace, where we never visit, and we feel a lot of confidence. We feel कि yes, now हमारी life ने एकदम एक boom पकड़ लिया. But as the time passes, we were enjoying our time, no doubt, in the Skylab, which is my first company, you can say. We were enjoying there, we were doing a lot of activities and all. But yes, suddenly that things started getting down, and the incident also happened where the huge recession was there. It was around 2 to 3 years of recessions, and many of the colleagues were left at that time. So I think that was a big turning point for us, because being as a technical person, being as a sound knowledge in the technical aspects, we couldn't get job in the market. So that was a big drawback, and might be that was a turning point which create a term called neural input solutions. कि yes, अपने ही टीन शेड में कुछ करते हैं, and from there the journey started, and you can say that was a turning point for us.
What if is your business affected by this notebandi?
You can say no, because we are not dealing much into cash, and honestly I like a policy of doing a clear business. So the clarity, if we keep the clarity in the business, transparency in the business, so there is a various mode to do the business in a transparent mode. So I didn't feel that there was any affection, or you can say a business dent, just because of this notebandi. In fact, you can say हमारे जितने dues थे, that was cleared by the clients just because of this notebandi. So that was the plus point for us. So thank you, Modi ji, in that part, because the money which was delayed for years, you can say, or for the month, so just because of this, those all money. In fact, we get the advances also for those. We get the things in the cash, but yes, We deposit with we collect it with the tax, and we deposit into the bank. So as we didn't deal into the cash and is 100% online transaction, so it doesn't affect on that. In fact, we can say this is a good part for us.
Right now, how many products you are dealing?
See, we are a customized based company. So we create the products also, but we do the custom work to the clients. So majorly we are into website development, web application development, and then digital marketing, and you can say app development, which is into Android and iOS. We also having a passion to hold a technology. So how the one of the mantra in our organization is that any technology which comes into the market, how we can hold that technology. So just learning those technology, implementing a project, and just making it old. So
you
that is the
are
mantra.
updating yourself time to time.
Absolutely. So because as quickly
that
as
is the
currently
that is the mantra of your success.
You can say, because if you are with the market, you are understanding. We are also not suggesting every new thing to the client. It is also very important. See, the mantra behind success, we can say success, or we can say keep on going, is that you have to be very transparent with the client and give a very genuine solution. It's we are doing business to generate the money, but yes, again, there is a trust of the client that we are giving the best solution to them also. So that is also somewhere we feel that clients who are 10 years back joined with us, 15 years back joined with us, are still with us. So that is our major success. You can say that is, for instance, 15 years they are trusted on us. In fact, they are national as well as international clients both. So they trust on us just because of the technical. We give them this genuine support. We give them a transparent process that how we should achieve. If any technology which comes in the market, I will never say to our client just go into that. We should wait for in a year or a 2 years that yes, whether that technology is being stable in the market, and then we suggest to the client, yes, now we can go for it, and this will be going to helpful for you. Else, if anything, if there is any web application which is running for 100 or 200 or 5,000 users, so it is fine. There's no need to upgrade the technology. So learning the technology is our passion, but suggesting a right technology to the customer is also our plan, that where we should go.
What this COVID, what happened in this COVID? Is this COVID affects your business?
So it's a good point. So COVID has actually given a lot of learning, you can say, in this time scenario.
Yes.
I will not lot of learning that whatever the things which we are doing in terms of doing the business, COVID teaches us that yes, you can do your business without that also, and with the less resources, with the less expenses, you can say, how you can sustain your business. So that learning somewhere, yes, this COVID time period has taught us. Though how for IT industry it is always a good time, because there is nothing like being stuck in the market. Yes, there was a small crunch of money which was somehow slow down in the middle, but slowly when the things open, when we go into the market, when the so it comes back again. So I didn't feel there was a lot of things. There's much impact of this COVID. That especially my personal view is, and for our business. But COVID teaches us that with the less resources, how you can run your business and how you can give the better opportunities to the maximum. That I think COVID teaches us.
You said that you are into digital marketing.
Yeah.
What exactly you are dealing in that?
See, digital marketing, as I think all the technical person are much aware about that. It's not a new term for the techies. So what we are trying to support to our client is just to bring the awareness of their business to the end users, you can say. So it's a kind of small branding of their presence on the web, and try to connect if there any person who is interested in taking that kind of service. So we try to connect them with the help of some quick contact forms and then generating the leads. So to achieve, actually that is the base funda of the digital marketing. But how to achieve that targets, how to do that, how to do achieve those milestones, there are various processes within that, that if you follow these steps, then you can, you know, bring the business to the and to the customer, to your customers. So you can say it's a kind of planting a seed. So once you plant a seed, it takes time to become a plant, you know, and then it takes years to become a tree. So digital marketing, it's very difficult to explain to the Indian customers here, because they want an instant responses from that, because
Yes.
you know, so that's it's quite little bit difficult also somewhere, so it's not a very continuous process. So digital marketing is a job of patience, we can say. And we the major thing which you have to explain to the client is a you have to be patient to uh, to get the good footfall in your business. So whatever the traditional approach you are approaching currently, you have to do go for it. But yes, parallelly, we are also approaching for this digital marketing, where we are trying to give the awareness of your product, your company, your services, and XYZ, whatever the things which are there within the organization.
Since you are dealing in the web applications, so you are also suggesting the clients that how they can promote themselves through digital marketing, because this is the scenario during lockdown, that customers, which whosoever is in the business, they are sometimes somewhere they are gaining and somewhere they are losing.
Right.
How your customer is coping up with this?
See, honestly, no, in the digital marketing business was little bit affected in this COVID time period, because the point was, uh, it will only help for the IT services based organization. But if there is anything like which you are dealing into product, if suppose anything which is related with e-commerce, or anything which is related with services kind of thing, which for where you have to, you know, give the physical services. So in that case, people has hold their digital marketing services, because the courier services were not up to the mark. Uh, People were not able to meet each other. So anything which has to be delivered to the end point, which has to be manufactured, so those businesses were affected in this COVID time period, if you say in this COVID time. But that's why the digital marketing was little bit slow down in this, because if there is no money they are getting from the market, so they cannot invest the money same for in that scenario. So private businesses were a little bit slow down in that, because like gyms were there. So for the gym and who was having a yoga instructor or yoga services, dealing in the yoga services, so people are not going to the centers. People are not very much interested in doing online yoga kind of things, unless until they are not very specific patients out there. So the digital marketing is of only these kind of things, spreading the awareness. Yes, for the consultation part, people were using these services, but not in the terms of product, you can say. So that was slow down in that time. Apart from that, it is those people who understand, yes, it's a plant which takes a time to grow. So they keep on investing on the digital marketing part. So there are various ways to achieve the targets by posting the things on social media, uh, where the huge social community is there, and wherever the people are present, a gathering of people are there, they have tried to post the information on those areas. So I think digital marketing is more and how uh, looks like that. But yes, in this business, I also feel that uh, people are just doing likes, people are sharing this on a paid basis. So they are charging you a some X amount, and then you can, your likes can be increased, your impressions can be increased, which I think is not a genuine way to do a business. My suggestion to my client is that whomsoever is accepting your concept, whomsoever is genuinely accepting your thoughts, should be welcome and should, can be a part of your service. And just, showcasing the lacks of likes of no use, lack of visitors with of no use. So I didn't believe on that kind of, business. So that I have to also educate my clients. So I never try. We can do a boost posting kind of thing, which is there, because that is a kind of filtrations where we can figure out what is the specific area where we want to promote our business. What are the gender, if there is any gender specific thing, if there is any age specific thing. So we should rotate our business in between those crowd. But if anything which we are randomly throwing into the market and getting a likes, I didn't believe on that uh, results, you can say. So might be in a month we get 30 likes, but that is user actually gone through my website, user actually like my concept or the services, and he is giving me a genuine like, rather than we are asking any colleagues or friends to just give a like to, convince my client. So that approach I just want, it should not be there, because it's a kind of cheating in the thing. So every business having its plus and minus in the market. So how you can convince, how you promote it to the client is up to you.
I think your mantra of success is the honesty and transparency.
I think for every business owners who are big entrepreneurs in the market, I just follow them and be very honest to your client and transparent with them, because getting a short money is always harmful for a long time.
Yes, yes.
So keeping getting a one you get a golden egg in a day is always helpful for a long time. So I believe in that therapy or concept.
That is the only mantra that your clients are still with you since last 50 years.
I think, yeah, you can say that.
So what message do you want to give to the audience or new technocrats or the students who want to be an entrepreneur?
See, I always want the youths that they should come forward and take this initiative to take the responsibilities of, first they should take the responsibilities of themselves, and then they should take in responsibility that how the country can be grow. For that they should have very determined for their thoughts. They should be committed, they should be very learned at some point, and in a business kind of like IT services, or we can say in IT. So we never stop our study, because that is a keep on going process. So upgrading yourself, giving the opportunity to the people who are in the market, who are looking for the jobs. So if you are reason for 10 to 15 or 20 families to whom you are going to serve with your thoughts, and so that is, I think, the big thing. For that, only one thing which is very important, I think, in the whole interview process you have might gone through, is that be very transparent with your client, give them the best solutions which you can give. If there is anything which is wrong from your end, accept it immediately, try to correct it, and give and take a best cost which is in the market. Take a professional cost. I do not want that we should also exploit ourselves in the initial. That was problem, that clients are always not so, all the clients are not of the same thought. So we get being exploited also sometimes. But we should, but after once a time period is passed, when you are in a position that you know the market, you understand the market, then you have to be also take your professional cost, take your time's cost, which actually gets involved. Most of the time, the person who is going to start the business is the least in getting in cost person in the company. So that is somewhere a kind of exploitation, which I also feel in my initial days or years, you can say. But yes, slowly we come to know, yes, don't exploit yourself also, because when you spend 5 years, 10 years in the market, and in fact you are just saying that I'm struggling, or you are just running, so it is again not a good sign for your business. So that is just because that you think of your employees, you think of your other expenses, and you didn't think much about yours. So you have to be balanced in the organization when you run this organization. Take your own costs also. Keep your cost in every project, in every business model, whatever you are suggesting to the client. So that is a suggestion I think I will request to all the all the youngsters, uh, that they have to be highly patient, good learning sense, uh, keep on learning. There's no stoppage of learning in the market. And I think in today's scenario, the young entrepreneur, young kids are more, uh, you can say, learn it. They have a good source of learning. uh, yes, though how they have a, there is something which they are a little bit impatient. They are they are more towards the comfort area. So those they have to uh, understand the business market, and then slowly, once the things are they understand this basic concept, so I think they are the winner in the market. So
How
that is, I
many
think,
employees? How many employees do you have right now?
see, currently we are working with around 18 people, which are highly energetic, with an experience. There is an experienced one person of 10 years also, who are believe on us, believe on the organization, and working since last 12 years also. So that is a small team we have. But yes, we have in hands, we have in minds, who think who I think give a outcome of a workforce of around 36 people, or you can say just triple of the team. So that's the knowledge sense with it.
As you said, yeah, you have started from scratch. Right
Yeah.
now, how much you are growing in terms of money every year?
See, if you say about the turnover of the organization, so it's like tortoise story, tortoise and rabbit story. So for the first 5 or 6 years, the turnover was somewhere around 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs. Uh, but now, as when we go into the market, when we jump into the market, now the things slowly coming up. So now I'm not saying that we are into the crores, but yes, we are just nearby to crore, and soon we will achieve those targets, as that was a milestone for 2021, that we will make the company of a crores.
My blessings are with you. Good luck. Thanks for
Thank you so
spending
much.
time for the interview, and nice
Thank
talking
you
to
so
you.
much, sir. Same here, sir. Same here. Thank you so much for
Thank
opportunity to spare the time with you, to share my thoughts with you and for the young people. And thank you once again.